Hi kiddies, let's start our today's video session. Today we will be beginning with a fresh unit, that is Unit 2C, Measure. And the topic for the day is Measuring and Drawing Lines. I repeat, the topic for the day is Measuring and Drawing Lines. Let's start with the introductory part. We'll start with the definition of measurement. Measurement is a process of finding a number that shows the amount of something. So measurement is a process where we can find the number that shows the amount of something. So measurement is a number that shows how much is something. Next is about length. Length is the amount of something that is measured from one end to the other along the longest side is called the length. So length means it is also a measurement, but what the peculiarity is, it is a measurement from one end to the another end. Also, it should be the longest side. So length means simply you can say the measurement of the longest side is called length. Next comes conversion, like 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Also 1 meter is equal to 1000 millimeters. So 1 meter in centimeter is 100 and 1 meter in millimeter is 1000. So this is about your introductory part regarding the concept, measuring and drawing lines. These are things you know because we have discussed in previous video sessions. So next, we will directly move to application level of questions. Here comes your first question. Class 5 have measuring objects in the classroom, but they have made some mistakes. Some of the measurements are written with the wrong units. Which items in the classroom have the measurement in the wrong units? Write the measurements with the correct unit for each object. And this is the picture where you can see the objects in a classroom has been measured and marked. So first thing is we need to find out which items in the classroom have the measurement in the wrong units. After finding the wrong measurements or wrong units, we need to correct it and find it out. So shall we start doing the answer part? Okay. So just go through. You're given the globe as 420 millimeter height. The cupboard or the book rack as 225 meter height. The height of a book or the width of a book is 14.5 centimeter. Now the length of a calculator is given as 115 centimeter length. A pencil box or a pouch is there, that is 225 centimeter length. Window as 1.6 centimeter width. A pencil as 18.6 meter length. And the height of a table as 0.9 meter height. So what the question is, which item in the classroom have the measurement in wrong units? So just go through these pictures and what do you think that which all objects have measured in wrong units? Unit means, for example, something is for a smaller object we are giving like centimeter or meter. For a pencil, will you say that the pencil is 1 meter long? No, because the pencil, you know, it might be in some centimeter only, like 10 centimeter or 12 centimeter long. But it won't be like 1 meter because 1 meter is how much centimeter? 100 centimeter. Did you so, or are you using a pencil or with 100 centimeter long? So that is the concept of what we have to apply here and find out which all things are measured in wrong units. So we'll start finding the items in the classroom have the measurement in the wrong unit. That is the pencil case. The pencil case is given as 225 centimeter long. 225 centimeter long means it is too long. So that is not correct. Is this the 225 centimeter long? No. Now what about the window? The window, it is given as 1.6 centimeter width. Is this 1.6 centimeter width? No. What about the calculator? The calculator has given us 115 centimeter length. Did you ever saw a calculator with a length 115 centimeter length? No, it is not that much. Somehow it may be in 10 centimeter, 15 centimeter, or it's 30 centimeter, 35 centimeter long. It's okay, but it's 15 centimeter is not applicable. Next comes about the bookcase. See, the bookcase is given as 225-meter long. 1 meter itself is 100 centimeter. So what about this 225 meter? 225 meter is how much? It's too long. It is not applicable. And the given cupboard not looks like 225 meter height. And what about the pencil? The pencil is given as 18.6 meter long. Is that correct? No, not that much long. So now the next B part is we need to correct these items units as a exact one. So we will be starting with the B part, starting with the pencil case. The pencil case is given as 225 centimeter. It won't be 225 centimeter, little more smaller. So it will be 225 millimeter long. Next is about the window. The window, it is given the window as 1.6 centimeter. 1.6 centimeter is too short, right? You can't see anything. So in this picture, it is not that too small. It has this much space. So it is 1.6 meter wide. Next about the calculator. Calculator is given as 115 centimeter length. No, it is not that much long. So the unit is 115 millimeter long. Next is about the bookcase. Bookcase means book rack or the cupboard. It is given that 225 meter height. Not like it is 225 centimeter high. And the last one, the pencil is given as how much? 18.6 meter length. Is that meter? No. If so, it will be how? In which unit? It will be in centimeter. So the pencil is 18.6 centimeter long. So this is a simple question. Nothing is there. You can use your logical ideas and your daily life routine. You are seeing all these things, right? So you know in what unit you can measure it, or it will be whether it is in meter or centimeter or millimeter. So hope this is clear for you. Nothing is there in this question. So we will move on to a second question. Copy and complete the table below. Estimate the length of each line. Write your estimate in the table. Measure each line and complete the table. So this is the line. Here you need to measure each line and complete this table. So see, this is the table. It is given that estimate in centimeter. After that, measurement in millimeter, then measurement in centimeter, then rounded to the nearest centimeter. So estimate means simply by looking at this line, what do you think that it is in how much centimeter? Having a single look on this, you might be feeling that yes, it might be around 8 centimeter. That is what estimate in centimeter means here. What about this? It might be around 12 centimeter, and it might be around 7 centimeter. This is about 5 centimeter, and this is about 9 or 10. So this is our estimation. By looking at the line, we are just estimating. It might be like this, or might be this much long. So that you have to write in this missing places, because this is your estimation. So it's up to your choice. So I'm giving to your learner's choice. So, and what about this is measurement in millimeters and measurement in centimeter. So I'm telling you that measurement in centimeter is quite applicable, because these all are short lines. You all have a ruler with you, and in ruler the unit is in centimeters. So you can use a ruler, place 0 at this end, and just find how long it is. After that, write the measurement. Then you just convert it into millimeter, then round it to the nearest centimeter. Only that much. Simple thing. So this is how the filled tabular column So this is when I use a ruler, I just noticed it is 7.2 centimeter long. After that, I just converted this to millimeter. 7.2 millimeter means it is 72 millimeter. You are just uh, placing this decimal place. So taking out the decimal place. So 7.2 centimeter is same as 72 millimeter. Now here it is rounding to the nearest. It is 7.2. So rounding means if it is 5 or above, we are rounding to the next number, or less than 5, we are just rounding to that number. So it is 7.2. So I'm just rounding it as 7. Now this is when you use a ruler, it seems to be 9.7 centimeter. So in centimeter, I have written as 9.7 centimeter. When I'm converting this to millimeter, it becomes 97 millimeter. And this 9.7, how will you round to the nearest centimeter? 0.7. So it is greater than 5. So you are rounding to the next number as 10. Now what about the C part? It is measured as 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter means it is 60 millimeter. And it is 6 centimeters, so rounding also seems to be the same number. Now what about the D part? It seems to be 4.5 centimeter when you try to measure with a ruler. 4.5 centimeter means it is 45 millimeter. And 4.5 means it is after the decimal place, the number is 5. 5 and above means rounding to the next number. So 4.5 is 5 centimeter. Next, the E part is when you measure, it seems to be 10.6 centimeter. 10.6 centimeter in millimeter is 106 millimeter. Now 10.6, so 0.6, so which is greater than 5. So I'm rounding to the next number. So that is 11 centimeter. Here also, we are not applying any new ideas, just using a ruler and just converting it into millimeters and rounding to the nearest centimeter. So you know how to find the measurement in centimeter with the help of a ruler. After that, how will you converting this to millimeter? We already did problems. When you convert the 7.2 centimeter to millimeter, just multiply the number by 10. 7.2 into 10 gives you how much? 72.0. So 72.0, after decimal place it's 0, it doesn't have any value. So 72.0 can be written as 72. 9.7 centimeter, how you just convert it to millimeter? 9.7 multiplied by 10, that is 97.0, that is 97 millimeter. So if you got a measurement in centimeter, for converting that measurement to millimeter, you are just multiplying the number with centimeter with 10. So you are getting the answer in millimeter. Hope this is clear for you. Nothing is there. We have already learned about conversions. You have already know about rounding concepts. Thus, in this question, we have put all those three concepts together. That's only here. So next comes a follow-up activity for you. Draw straight lines that measure 3.2 centimeter, 89 millimeter, 10.3 centimeter, and 128 millimeter. See, 3.2 centimeter you can easily draw with the help of a ruler. What about this millimeter? Millimeter you have to convert to centimeter. If it is given in centimeter, you are converting it to millimeter by multiplying by 10. If millimeter is given and you need to convert it to centimeter, the opposite operation. You need to divide this number by 10. So here you just divide 89 by 10. So you will be getting it as 8.9. So that is 89 millimeter is equal to 8.9 centimeter. Now you can draw, right, with the help of a ruler. If so, what about this 128 millimeter in centimeter? 128 millimeter to centimeter, you will be dividing this number by 10. So you will be getting 12.8. So using a ruler, 15 centimeter ruler, you can easily draw a line that measure 12.8 centimeter. So that if it is millimeter, just convert it to centimeter and draw the line in terms of centimeter. Okay. So just do it in your math note and share it via ClassDojo. If you have any doubts or any queries regarding this concept or any of the problem discussed in today's video session, you can call or message me and clear your doubts. So that's all for today. Thank you.